What's crack-a-lackin', everybody? Let's do some score retail stuff. I've got a little variety of everything retail. Blaster, Rat Pack, well, Fat Pack, Rat Pack, and hanger boxes. So we got a little sampling of score. Let's get into it. Let's start with these Fat Packs. It's a 40 card value pack. Look for exclusive red parallels, so that's the selling point with this, and I believe it's the only selling point with this. I don't know if you're going to be able to read this, probably not. I can't. So let's just get into it. Alright, 40 cards, which is quite a bit. Let's see, how do we want to do this? Probably, let's skip the base again. There's just too many. Yeah, we'll just get right to the hits, I think, instead of making a crazy long video. Alright, red parallel, Seth Roberts, red parallel, Rrrippin. That's a nice photo. I like that, that's cool. Signal Callers, red. You can see the red line here. So it's a retail exclusive, Jameis Winston. Another Signal Callers. This looks not red. I guess I can't really tell. It looks like no, it's different. It's base. So that is actually a red insert. Phillip Rivers, Signal Callers. Tariq Cohen, throwbacks. Jared Goff, Epic's Game. Russell Wilson, Signal Callers. Did I not? Oh no, that was Phillip Rivers. Dude. All Hands Team, Adam Thielen. Epic's Baker Mayfield. Season. I really like these Epics cards. They're my favorite of the whole set. Captains, Wesley Woodyard. Huddle Up, Patriots. Marquise Brown, NFL Draft. Fantasy Stars, Aaron Rodgers. Captains, Cam Newton. Celebrations, DeAndre Hopkins. Rookies of Nick Bosa, Rodney Anderson, Trayvon Mullen, Antoine Wesley, Devin Bush II, and Hakeem Butler. Alright, so this many inserts just out of that one Fat Pack. Fat Pack number 2. Alright, let's see what we got here. Make sure. Oh, and to update you guys on that watched the second retail break that I posted earlier. The autograph, the 4th autograph truly was missing. So it was 2 autographs, some Panini points, and that's it. There was no 4th autograph. So that stunk. So I'm going to have to go through the process to get it from Panini, and who knows what they'll even send. Alright, red Derwin James, a red rookie Greedy Williams. That's not bad at all. A lot of people like this kid. Red Captains, Mike Evans. Jared Goff, throwbacks. Tom Brady, Signal Callers. Epic's Ezekiel Elliott moment. All Hands Team, Mike Williams. Josh Allen, Signal Callers. Throwbacks, Phillip Rivers. NFL Draft, Nick Bosa. Captains, Mr. Tom Brady. Fantasy Stars, Cameron Newton. Another NFL Draft, Kelvin Harmon. Captains, Travis Kelce. Huddle Up, Detroit Lions. And then rookie cards of Jacoby Myers, Clayton Thorson, Jalen Hurd, Ryan Finley, Jake Browning, and Christian Wilkins. So not bad. I like the red parallels. You know, I had never really thought about it much, but my friend Steven explained to me, and I mean, I had not really thought about it, but fewer people seem to buy retail over hobby. So when you see stuff like these red parallels, you may think, whatever. But these are actually, you know, much tougher to get in the long run than many of the other cards, because, you know, they're just not bought as widely bought. Sometimes there's, I think, exceptions to that rule, because sometimes there's certain, like, retail products that people buy like crazy, like last year's Bowman. I mean, I went to every Walmart, every Target, you couldn't find it anywhere. But stuff like this is easily, you know, overlooked. So, all right, what do you want to do next? What'd you say? Oh, okay, hanger box. I got you. Hang on, I'm getting it. Let's do it. Let's see what the catch is with this. Well, not catch, the appeal. Find 4 hanger box exclusive purple parallels. Unwrap an array of rookies, 12 per box. Look for mem and autographs, some of the hottest names in the game. Alright then, give me an autograph. Make up for the one you shorted me on the hobby box. Crappini. Alright, so a huge pack of cards. And cellophane. Get them out without dropping them. Alright, let's do this. Let's move out this huge stack of base. Alright, purple. Marquise Goodwin, Laquan Treadwell, a purple Dwayne Haskins rookie card. Signal Callers purple, Matthew Stafford. So there's our 4. Then we have All Hands Team, Julio. Nick Mullins, Signal Callers. Drew Brees, Epic's Game. Throwbacks, Von Miller. Signal Callers, Kirk Cousins. All Hands Team, Nicholas Chubb. Epic's Jared Goff Moment. Almost couldn't get that out. Signal Callers Regular, Stafford. Clay Matthews, Throwbacks. James Conner, Epic Season. Captains, Kyle Rudolph. Celebration, Dalvin Cook. Drew Lock, NFL Draft. I did not get that in any of the boxes I opened already, so that's cool. I'm seeing a couple of different inserts that I actually didn't get in those hobby boxes, so that's good. This is one too. Captains, DeAndre Hopkins. This is one. Fantasy Stars, James Conner. And Josh Allen, NFL Draft. Von Miller Captains. Didn't get that. Didn't get this either. This is a great box for filling in the stuff I didn't get in the first 2 boxes. Huddle Up Steelers, Daniel Jones, that's also new, and Alvin Kamara Fantasy Stars, that's also new. That was an excellent box for me. Alright, Karan Higdon, Hawkinson, Lil Jordan, my friend, Mac Wilson, Paris Campbell, I have no idea what that says. Rrrippin, Rockvasin Yasin, I guess. That guy, Jacques Patrick, Jeffrey Simmons, and Quinnen Williams. Yeah, that was a good break for me, because a lot of the inserts that I got in the rack pack were cards I'd already pulled out of the hobby boxes, if I can spit it out. Hopefully this one will have some different stuff too. Something different to see. Alright. Alright, stack number, what are we on? 4. Alright. Looks like we have a jersey card. We do. Tyler Lockett, away jersey. Just a little white swatch, but hey, it's something. Home and away. Cool. We have purple, Devonta Freeman, Brandon Cooks, purple rookie, DeAndre Walker, purple insert, Anthony Miller Celebration. Then we start with the regular inserts. Thielen, All Hands Team, Russell Wilson, Signal Callers, the 3rd, Jared Goff Epics Game, Tariq Cohen Throwbacks. Oh, we got a lot of these already. Phillip Rivers, Celebration, DeAndre Hopkins, All Hands Team, Michael Thomas, Epic's Moment, Drew Brees, Signal Callers, Bradley Chubb, Throwbacks, Drew Brees, Epic Season, Cam Newton, Captains, DeAndre Hopkins, Celebration, another Nick Bosa, NFL Draft, another Captains, Tom Brady, Fantasy Stars, Cam Newton, Calvin Harmon again, Travis Kelce again, Huddle Up, Detroit Lions again, Ryan Finley again, Drew Brees, Fantasy Stars again. That was not a good box for filling in gaps at all. That was all stuff I think I already have. Alright, David Montgomery rookie, Jordan Scarlett, Caleb Wilson, Greedy Williams, N'Keal Harry, Greg Dortch, James Williams, Patrick Laird, Will Greer, Emmanuel Hall, Jalen Ferguson, Montez Sweat, or Sweet. I think it's probably Sweat. Alright, last up. Mr. Blaster Box. 132 cards. Find one Blaster exclusive memorabilia card. Ooh, also look for all of these. 4 Blaster exclusive gold parallels. This box is beat up. It came really crushed in. You can see the, so I'm hoping the cards didn't take a beating. It was pretty bad. I ordered this online, and the seller that I buy most of the retail stuff from has really good prices, but like, I guess to help make up for those discounts, he or she doesn't have the best shipping practices. So most of the time that's okay, but sometimes, like today, it's not, because this box, I mean, look at that, this box is just beat to crap and back. But hopefully everything's okay, and if not, maybe it'll just be a small number of cards that are damaged. Alright, there's our stack. It's how many packs here? I don't know, a bunch. Alright, gonna bypass these. We have All Hands Team, Keelan Cole. This is something different I don't have. Fantasy Stars, Matt Ryan. Rookie cards, Arcega Whiteside, Renfro, Drew Lock. So you don't get a ton of inserts in these. That's something to note. There's one of the gold parallels, Sean Williams. All Hands Team Thielen, Fantasy Stars, James Conner. Rookie cards, Rrrippin, Yasin, and Stidham. Alright, Signal Callers, Russell Wilson, like the 10th one of those. Josh Allen, Jacques Patrick, Jeffrey Simmons, and Quinnen Williams. Honestly, I'm feeling like the blaster box is not as exciting and fun as the hanger boxes. Of course, the hanger boxes have infinitely more cards. There's a gold rookie, Mike Weber. Another Jared Goff Epics, loaded with that. Captains, Von Miller. Rookies, Miles Sanders, CJ Conrad, and Mike Weber. Alright, another Throwbacks, Treat Cohen. Huddle Up, Pittsburgh Steelers. Rookie cards, DeAndre Baker, Andy Isabella, and Alex Barnes. We have a scorecard, Von Miller, parallel. Phillip Rivers, Signal Callers. Daniel Jones, NFL Draft. Devin Singletary, Nick Bosa, Rodney Anderson. Alright. All Hands Team, DeAndre. Fantasy Stars, Kamara. Trayvon Mullen, Anton Wesley, and Devin Bush. This feels like the jersey card. Let's see who we got. Let's see who we got. It is, oh, Trubisky. That's fun. Sweet. That's a good looking card too. I'm not exactly sure why they have him in his North Carolina uniform, since he's been in the NFL for a good minute, but okay. So Trubisky. Michael Thomas, Epic's Moment. Captains Russell Wilson. Rookies Hakeem Butler, Jacoby Myers, and Clayton Thorson. Ooh, the gold signal collars looks good. So that parallel version looks really good. Drew Brees, Rob Gronkowski celebration, Jalen Hurd, Ryan Finley, and Jake Browning. 2 more packs. Hang in there. Alright. Throwback Chubb, Bradley Chubb. Darrell Henderson. Rookie cards, Christian Wilkins, Josh Allen, Myles Gaskin, and our last pack of this break has a gold Sue, a seasoned Drew Brees, Jamal Adams captains, I don't have that yet, and then Jermaine Pratt, Morgan Stanley Jr., and Kelvin Harmon round it out. So that is quite a lot of cards. That's it. That's everything retail. Hope you enjoyed it. That's a pretty fun break. I knew it would be with so many inserts and parallels. It's kind of hard to go wrong. Next up, brand new, will be Tier 1, which I still haven't ordered, but I'm about to go do that right now. So thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Take care. And I have, other than Tier 1, I've got some other stuff, some surprises coming up. And I still gotta do my giveaway. I'm gonna try to make my video giveaway sometime next week for sure, so stay tuned for that. If you're not already subscribed, this is basically your last chance to do it before that giveaway. I'm going to use one of those computer random subscribe selector things to give away a couple of eBay gift codes. So if you're subscribed, you'll be included in that automatically. Thanks so much. Take care, and I'll see you all again soon.